Hi everyone, so this is the week 6 of Discrete Math. Okay, so just the reminder that we have exam 2 coming up next week, and I have a suggestion or idea that I want your input. So let's go into this week's assignments. And yeah, it's under a discussion board. So for this week, I want to find if you would prefer a synchronous review session. So what this is that I think probably the hardest thing would be finding a common time that would accommodate as many students as possible. I suggested Thursday at 5 p.m., but you know, if not a lot of students can make it, then we can look for a different class. I'll send it a survey. But that's after if we decide to do the synchronous review session. All right, so what this is going to be, instead of me uploading the test review and the video with the solutions to those test review questions, those test reviews will not be provided, but during the synchronous review session, students will be asking questions, and I will record that session for students that can't make it during our time. Also, for those students who may not be able to make it to the synchronous review, students can email me their questions in advance, and I'll talk about them during the live review session. But that's just an idea. I don't know if you would prefer the synchronous model over our continuing asynchronous model. Okay, so just let me know. And all right, so homework 6 is based on section 1.7. All right, so I'm skipping 1.5 and 1.6 because those are kind of an extension to the main ideas that we've studied in 1.1 and 1.4. So those are optional, so I'm skipping those. 1.7 is pretty important because it introduces students to the idea of proofs. And reading of 1.8 is very highly recommended for those, especially those students who are expecting to take abstract algebra anytime soon. Because a lot of the vocabularies and terms that is talked about or has been written in section 1.8, you will reuse it a lot when you guys get to abstract or real analysis math. All right, so this is the homework, and under the learning resources, I have posted videos that could help you along with your reading. And of course, you can reach me out with any questions throughout the week as well.